Most didn't know what, and so they didn't be very nice. Well, Eddie was nice. And one guy gets a red ticket, 'cause he's out. Eddie did not know what to do. You see, this doesn't have any words, so Devin didn't like it. He didn't know. That's my foot. Hey, what to do? I'm not Devin. Devin knew what to do.
Is Julia reading you a story, yes?
I don't know. It's called Papa Dappa.
Okay.
Papa Dappa said, "These are mine." These are mine. You don't. Miss Wizzo, they took away his hat and scarf and they whipped his clothes. And they whipped that Miss Wizzo out of the park, and that Miss Papa Bear flew out of that cushion booth. Amy didn't know what was going on, so Amy took his hat off him and said, "Yeah, I'll take your hat off of you forever. You'll stay without hats forever." That's the end of that story. That was a funny story.
That was a funny story. Thank you for reading it.
Papa Dappa and the Queen.